Beautiful Sunday morning. Gas everywhere. I'm heading into every Sunday to meet up with a mate, get a coffee, have a look around. A few things on today, so I can't go on any big rides or anything. Got to do some editing for work. And yeah, I've got like a housewarming later on and an engagement shoot, hopefully if the weather's good. So tasty. One thing with this Aprilia, it's so thirsty on gas. Just drinks it. I usually do wake up pretty early, but I woke up real early this morning because it was the rugby final today with Australia and Samoa. Everybody was going nuts at like 6 a.m. It's quite funny, in the community groups, like, you know, you get like a Facebook group for your area or whatever. People are losing their minds, like, oh, they're so disrespectful and blah blah blah, and it's one day and they're supporting their country. Like, get over it. But that's just my point of view. I think I'm not a huge sports fan. I don't watch a lot of sports, but yeah, it's cool that Samoa got to at least second place. I mean, they did way better than New Zealand, so that's good. I think they should be proud. This whole week coming is supposed to be trash, so I thought I'd get out today and just make the most of it. But I've had a few messages asking like how I get out on the bike so much, and I thought I would I don't know, just talk about what I do for a living. And I'm a full-time wedding photographer. I do I do a few other things, but mostly weddings, like 95% weddings. I do a little bit of commercial stuff if I kind of have to. If I get asked to do it and the money's good enough. And I do photo and video, so that's kind of my main thing. And then I have my other YouTube channel, which just hit 40,000 subscribers yesterday actually, and that turns over a bit of money, so I try and do content for that as much as I can. So, you know, so usually I'm working like Fridays and Saturdays through summer. I'll do probably 2 weddings every weekend through summer, and that's how I make the majority of my money. And then you know, I'm like editing through the week and stuff like that, but I break up my editing into sections, so like I'm not editing all day. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do with my work life, is photography, videography, editing, and YouTube. And yeah, I've got kids and stuff like that, so I have to drop them off and pick them up from school in the mornings and in the afternoon. It's quite privileged. I mean, I worked really hard to get to this point, but a lot of sleepless nights and just working way too much. But it's got to the point now where I can just kind of chill out a little bit, which is nice. And yeah, motorbikes are kind of my go-to for when I need some chill time. I'm basically obsessed with motorbikes. It's part of my life. Motorbikes are pretty good for mental health, you know. If you just want to get on and go for a ride and like not think about anything, it's good. It's a good time. It's K Road, Auckland City. We're just riding under as I give you the tour of Auckland City. We are flying 5,000 feet above the city of sails. If you look out to your right, you can see the Sky Tower, and as we approach for landing, we will merge like a zip, so buckle your belts, and we shall be on the ground momentarily. Laser sitting there trying to sting everybody. We're nearly here, so we'll check back in with you guys in a minute. It's actually a pretty cool community that we have in the New Zealand like motorcycle scene. You always get some dickheads every now and then, but I mean it's the same with anything. It's a nice old Moto Guzzi. Oh, there's not that many people today. That is my mate. What's going on? Good, bro. Which bike would you have out of any of these? That's sick, man. So 3.5 or 2.5? This is the founder of Adventure Biking New Zealand. It's got all the bit, like it's got the bars and everything. I reckon I should buy this one. It's got an Acro on it, heated grips, 20 Ks, 1600. Me and my mate Esben here are going to go get some breakfast. All these other guys are going on a big ride. My legs are still jelly from the gym. Let's get it going. I'm in Bluetooth mode, I need to switch. Can you hear me? Oh, that's the prison, eh? Breakfast time. Yeah, I'm like trying to look for your indicator. I can't even see it. Oh, this thing has such a shit turning circle. What are you gonna get?